Hello everyone, Amy here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. I am starting a series where I am mixing Aussie floetrol with different brands of paint to see if the reaction is just as good as if we mix them with Amsterdam paints. So I wanted to try these Holbein luminous paints. Today for this piece I am using Luminous Red, and I wanted to show how it looks all by itself on top of just the white, which I often do on these pieces anyway, just to give it some background color. And at first, with my first swipe, I thought not too bad at all. Especially since we're so used to how the Amsterdam paints react, and as you can see there, it's really starting to react even more, and I'm getting some really nice lacing. So it's not as fast as the Amsterdam paints for sure, but as you continue to watch, you'll see that the lacing is really beautiful. So I decided to give it a little bit of heat just to see if that helped, which it definitely did bring up more lacing. And so let's add some colors and swipe with that. So this is Pebeo's Iridescent Green Blue, some DecoArt Silver, and I think that's the sterling silver, and then Mont Marte Ultramarine Blue. Now you have to remember that with the Holbein, it is a transparent paint, so you will be able to see the colors underneath, which gives it a really cool effect. And I love this luminous red with the ultramarine blue. It creates a really pretty purple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me hit that 1,000 subscribers. I'm so very close. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. All right, let's continue on here with this really beautiful swipe. I actually used these colors in a Dutch pour, probably over a year ago now. I will link that piece at the very end. It was the inspiration for these colors. I loved how it turned out. The brightness of the luminous red with the blue and the iridescent green, blue, and silver are really, really beautiful. Don't forget to check out my website at www.amysacrylicartistry.com, where my creations are all for sale. As well, you can follow me on Instagram at anxiousamy_IG. And if you are looking for commission pieces or would like to contact me, amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. So here are the wet results of this really beautiful piece. I love how it turned out. I would definitely say Amsterdam with floetrol, with the Aussie floetrol, is definitely the superior, but the lacing in this is actually not all that horrible. I love that spot right there, and I love this spot right here too. I think it definitely performs better over top of metallic paints. However, I would definitely give this a 7 out of 10 if the Amsterdam were a 10 out of 10. Love, love, love. I have dried results coming up, so be sure to stick around for those. Okay, so here are the dried results. So remember I said that the Holbein luminous paints are transparent, so they will show the colors through. They look beautiful over top of the lighter colors. However, I love it over top of the iridescent green blue as well as the ultramarine blue. So again, help me hit that 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I would love to hear what you think of this video. What do you think of the Holbein paints mixed with Australian floetrol? Take care, everyone. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video.